Knock knock.
Who's there?
Santa.
Santa who?
Santa Claus. That makes no sense. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel.
It's me, Mac.
And I'm Gleigh. And today, our cousin will be joining us in making
A homemade ice cream! I want some ice cream.
later.
Okay. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm Nolan from Nolan's Video Logs. And today, I'll be joining them in making a homemade ice cream! Ice cream chillin' chillin', ice cream chillin', ice cream chillin' chillin', ice cream chillin'.
So the things that we need are this electric mixer, which kind of looks like a gun.
It looks like my gun anyways.
Not really.
Yes, because it has lines.
Yeah. Anyways, we have this whisk, which is also used for mixing.
Okay.
And we have this spatula.
That looks like from SpongeBob.
SpongeBob
It
spatula.
looks like a popsicle.
And we have these two big spoons.
Okay.
And we have a regular spoon.
Looks like for babies.
And we also have these plastic gloves, which are important so our hands won't get dirty.
Okay.
And we have a bowl here where we will mix our ingredients in later. And over there, we have 3 different bowls because we will be making 3 different flavors. As of the ingredients, we have creme densada, which is a mixture of cream and condensed milk. And the first flavor that we have is banana. Mashed bananas, which is our baby brother's favorite. And we have chocolate biscuits.
Which looks so yummy. Yeah, I want to eat it.
And we have this coffee flavored later. And the 2 toppings that we have, you can add anything. The toppings that we have here are the crushed chocolate and white chocolate chips. Now let's make our ice cream! So the first step is to put the creme densada in the bowl. But before we do that, us kids should ask help from our parents in opening the can so that we won't get into any accidents. Careful. Careful.
Whoa! Wow! It's like milk. You like it? It's like milk.
Next.
Then
Excuse me.
move it.
Get that one. Hold
Get
that
it. Then get this.
one. Now it's time to put the flavors.
Gleigh and Nolan, what? I like your t-shirt. Thanks. I bought it from Giordano Well, if there was no virus, I bought this shirt. Oh, wow. What? Wow. So dark, right? Yeah.
Yep.
Look in the side.
We're done with the coffee flavor. Now it's time for the banana flavor.
Apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. Hopefully, what will it look like, right, Max?
Yeah.
I think it will be colored yellow. Oh no! It's drowned. It's hiding. It's hiding.
I'll put all
Yeah.
of it in.
Yes. No, dump it out. Dump it out. Dump it out.
Hold on, Sarah.
Dump it out.
Oh, did it?
Oh my god.
And it looks like pineapples.
Yeah. What if we made pineapple and lemon juice? That is dark. Why will lemon juice be like that? There's more. Banana juice.
Banana's done. Next is our favorite.
Chocolate! Or in Tagalog is chocolate. Chocolate.
Get.
Yes. Give the big bowl.
Is it heavy?
Yes. Oh. Heavy.
Guys.
Oh. What the? Chocolate ice cream. That's cream.
I'll mix it.
I
Look.
can't Max.
Look.
It's like Oreo. Oh, we're making.
It looks like ice cream.
Cookies and cream,
It is
guys.
ice cream.
Now we're cookies and cream. Now we're
Yeah.
making cookies and cream.
It is cookies and cream.
Sounds like water. Which?
Guys, now it's time to put them in the containers.
Makmak.
Let's go.
Yay.
Let's go. Okay. About the toppings, guys, we are going to put it on top tomorrow morning because we have to wait for the ice cream to harden. that we're done, we need to cover it and put it in the freezer overnight.
Cover it. Cover it.
Whoa.
Needs to be tight.
It looks like jelly.
Yes, like jelly.
We're like covering jellies.
Yeah.
Done.
I'm so excited. Me too.
See you guys tomorrow morning. But
We still have to clean up. Hi guys, we're back. And now our ice cream is done and we're excited to eat it. Ice cream, 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 ice cream. Let's go. I'm excited.
me first.
Yes.
Sure. Okay. Get this.
I don't know how does this, that's
Yeah.
the coffee tastes, right?
Let's go get the ice. Whoa.
It's like
Okay.
a mouse.
Let's taste this first.
Yes.
Here you go.
Let's put toppings.
Yeah.
Let's put
Let's
toppings.
put toppings. Okay.
Yeah.
Which one? This one?
Yes. This one.
Okay. This one. Let's get this one.
Whoa. Yeah. Oh, that looks so good.
Yeah. Okay. Let's taste
We
it.
like made ice creams for our customers.
Yeah. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it.
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got some.
Wow, it tastes so good.
Oh,
Yum.
ramen.
Oh, more.
Is it so cold? Very cold.
So good.
Ow.
Okay, you wanna try the next one now?
No. No.
Okay, let's try the next one now. Hold it.
Wait, I want the last one. I want
Okay.
last.
Come on.
Yum.
You get this.
Okay.
Let's go.
I like the
Whoa, this one's a lot. This one's a lot.
Yeah, I know.
This
That's
is
the Oreo.
cookies and cream.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh.
Whoa.
Let's put the cream.
Yeah. Cream.
No.
Oh.
Cream.
No.
Oh. Cream. Oh.
Is that a lot?
That's enough.
Yep, it's enough. Let's eat. Let's eat. Come on. Let's eat.
I'm gonna get
Go. Go get it. Get it. Get it. Get
I'm
it.
gonna
Get it. Get it. Get it.
with cream. I'm gonna get without cream. Guys, I got it so big. I just got a little.
It tastes so good.
Yeah.
Wait, you want
Can
more?
I- Wait, no.
Okay. Let's
Oh.
taste the
Oh.
banana now. Banana, banana,
I'm
banana,
scared.
banana.
I'm scared.
Okay.
I'm so scared. I think the banana will
Tastes like banana because it
Yeah.
is banana. It will taste like banana because it is banana.
Yeah.
There you go.
I don't put toppings.
Yeah, no toppings. Come on.
It smells bad.
Not really.
Yeah, not
It
really.
tastes like banana. It smells like banana.
Yeah, it smells like banana because it's made out
Whoa.
of banana. Banana ice cream for our customers.
Yum.
Wow.
Tastes like banana.
It's cold.
Tastes like banana.
I just got a little.
Yeah.
I can see the cream hole. I just look at it is something.
Done?
Yeah.
More.
No, I would more like that.
Okay.
Oh, it tastes like banana.
We're done.
It's yummy.
We're done now.
I want more. It tastes so good.
Okay.
Okay.
Which one's your favorite flavor?
Banana. Primo.
Okay, mine's coffee. Here you go. Here you go.
Thank you.
Here you go. This
Wow.
is coffee, and this one's banana. Okay, let's eat.
That kind of toppings.
Mm.
Toppings. Toppings.
They're so good.
Wowings. It tastes like banana. It's because it's made out of banana. And that is made of Primo. I just said Oreo.
Okay. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Please like, subscribe, and share to our channel and Nolan's channel, which is Nolan Video Logs. See you guys in your next video.
Bye! Ice cream, 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 children, ice cream, children, ice cream, children.